Hello everyone, and welcome to On Wednesday We Wear Pink, week 31. This week's polish is this beautiful Essie. It's just a very soft pink with a hint of lilac in it. It's called Spalsh of Grenadine. Now this polish does have the small Essie brushes, which I am not fond of, but the application of this goes on extremely smooth. It is a bit streaky, but not too bad. With a second coat, this does deepen the color a little bit more, so you do see more of that lilac in it, more leaning towards purple than pink. Very pretty, and after the second application, completely opaque. I do want to do a bit of nail art, so I'm going to be using Wet n Wild's whip topping. My broken fingernail did grow out enough so that I could clip it without it being painful, so I decided just to do that and let it grow out on its own. And the width of these Wet n Wild brushes cover this little tiny nail perfect. And still working on Sally Hansen Insta-Dri top coat. I really have been in the mood to do some gradient, so I'm going to be using Spalsh of Grenadine and whip topping and a makeup sponge here. I did get a little carried away with the white here. You do want the colors to kind of overlap. Maybe not quite as much as I did here, but it still worked and still turned out beautiful. And just using side to side and little up and down dabbing motions. I did use the sponging and up and down motion 3 times just until the colors got to the opacity that I was happy with. And I did want a bit of sparkle, so I'm using Wet n Wild's White and Stormy. This is just a very pretty holographic micro glitter topper. Very pretty. My original idea was just to use the topper on the finger that I did the sponging on, but it was so pretty I just had to use it on all of my fingers. I just love it. It's so pretty. Just look at it. Is that not gorgeous? Just yesterday I got in the mail all of these water decals. I ordered a bunch of them off Amazon. They come with like 50 sheets of water decals. They're so pretty. There's butterflies and flowers and all kinds of springy stuff on them. I decided I wanted to use this one here. It is just pink butterflies and leaves. It is labeled A231, and I am just going to be using this little tiny butterfly here. I already cut it out and it is ready to go. These decals also came with these really cool tweezers. And of course we will need our glass of water to put our decal in. I already removed the plastic coating over the top of this, and using the tweezers, just drop it into my water here, leaving it in here for just a couple seconds so that it loosens up and removes from the backing really easily. And then just using the tweezers, I am able to fish the decal out, and there we go. And it starts to just slide off really easily. So using the tweezers, that just helps to grab it a little better. And then I can just place the decal wherever I want it to be on the nail. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. And to keep my butterfly from flying away, I am using Sally Hansen Insta-Dri. Top coat makes this glitter topper stand out so good. It just looks magical. And here is the final design. This turned out so good. You ever have one of those manicures that you do that you just really dread taking off? This is one for me. I just loved it. It's beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this one as much as I did. Please leave any comments and suggestions below, and I'll see you in the next one.